Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Step 1. Purchase a compatible Xfinity TV device at the time of publish. It looks like a number of Roku devices are considered compatible Xfinity TV devices, including the following: Roku Ultra, Roku Premier, Roku Streaming Stick Plus.
Take our lead.
Whether you're saving on equipment fees by replacing a cable box with a streaming player or cutting cable altogether, you can still watch what you love. All Roku devices provide easy access to free TV, live news, sports, movies, and more, so you can be confident that you won't miss a thing.
Make your mark, take our lead.
During this beta phase, due to technical limitations, customers using the Xfinity TV beta app on Roku, other than Stream customers, can only use that app on secondary TV outlets and will need to have at least one Comcast-provided TV box in their home.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Xfinity TV app for Roku is now available in beta form. It allows Comcast subscribers to watch live and on-demand TV, as well as cloud DVR recordings, without having to use the cable box. The app will only work on Roku devices inside the home and requires an Xfinity Internet access device.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.